In this video, we take a look to our premium DTF supplies, watchability test, and the final results. So stay tuned. There you go, everyone. You saw the video. We print, press, and also did the watchability test, and you saw our premium supplies in the work. So that's why that's the only thing that we sell on our website, premium DTF supplies, because we know how important it is for you to give your customers really good DTF transfers. Something I want to point is that not all the inks are made the same. There are different materials and different factories, but we work with a factory that they use only high quality raw materials, and that's the thing that we purchase from them, and that is all the supplies that we sell on our website and we use for ourselves when it comes to do the DTF transfers. And I got the t-shirt here, and you saw it on the video. We print it, we press it over there, and we wash it. And this is the same shirt. This is the same shirt that have been washed more than 40 times, or yeah, I can say 40 times at least, already, and if you can look at it, it's like nothing happens to the shirt. Obviously it's completely wrinkled over there because we watch it and we don't press it or anything like that, but let's say that I want to use this one, I go ahead and press it just a little bit to get the wrinkle off. And of course, if you got a little bit of wrinkles in your designs, you can press it again and you're going to have that design again really nice. So just in case, you know, we do the testing again for stretchability, just in case. And it's not even doing anything. So let me go ahead and see if I can focus a little bit more of this, because I mean, you know, in our channel we're clear how I present everything to you guys. So, and I want you to see it, okay? I want you to see the border, just in case. There's no doubt that these shirts have been watched 40 times or more and it's still good. So maybe after 50 or whatever, you know, it can start cracking or it can start to peel off. But to be honest, guys, until this day, when you have good quality supplies and you do the DTF transfers the correct way, you know, when you print it, and when you press it on the shirt, I have not seen, to be honest, a transfer, you know, peeling off or coming off, to be honest. And again, if that happened to you, I'm going to recommend, you know, double check your settings. I mean, there's nothing wrong with double check your settings. You know, maybe you miscalculate something. Maybe the heat press, you were thinking that it was at 1 temp, but it was more high. Or maybe it was less than that the pressure that you needed, and all of that can affect when it comes to pressing a DTF transfer to a t-shirt, okay? Plus, of course, I mentioned already the DTF supplies. So I think that's all, guys, for this video. You know, I just want to show you again and again, because people have been asking me again, like, hey, can you show me again the washability test for the t-shirt, how your DTF supplies works compared to other ones? And this is the video for you guys. All right, so if you find this video, guys, helpful, or if you want you know, someone else to present our products to them through this video, you can do it by sharing the video with them. And as always, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also click the bell notification, because that way you know when we got new videos out there, okay? So if you got any questions, guys, don't forget, put it on the description below. Your comments, I always be reading them and replying when I can. You know, we're working hard to give you the best DTF supplies out there for you guys. My name is Jos. I will see you in the next one. As always, keep printing. All right.